If you're seeing the message, an error occurred during installation on Itch.io, don't worry, this is usually a simple fix. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to solve the Itch.io installation error so you can get the app installed and working again. We'll cover the most common causes, including antivirus blocks, permission issues, and doing a clean reinstall if the first attempt fails. And if this tutorial helps, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, let's talk about antivirus and firewall software. Sometimes Windows Defender, AVG, Malwarebytes, or another security app can mistake the Itch.io updater or the Butler installation tool for something unsafe and block it before it finishes. So before you try installing again, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall protection. If you're using Windows Defender, open your security settings and turn off real-time protection briefly. If you're using a third-party antivirus, look for the protection controls and pause them for a short time. Just remember, this is only temporary, and you should turn protection back on as soon as the installation is done. Once that's set, try the installation again and see if it goes through. Next, you want to run the installer with administrator permissions. This is a very important step because the installer may not have enough access to write files properly on your computer. Find the Itch-Setup.exe file, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to allow it to continue. Running the installer this way gives it full permission to make the changes it needs, which often fixes the error right away. If the installation still fails, the next best move is to reinstall the app with a clean slate. First, make sure the app is fully closed. If it's open in the background, use Ctrl and Q to quit it completely. Then uninstall the Itch.io app from your system. After that, go to the official Itch.io app page and download the newest setup file again. Using the latest installer helps avoid problems caused by a corrupted or outdated file. Once the fresh download is complete, run the setup again, preferably as administrator, and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this clean reinstall solves the issue because it removes any damaged files and starts over with a fresh install. If you're still stuck after that, double check that your antivirus is turned back on and make sure no other security tool is interfering with the process. Also confirm that your internet connection is stable while downloading, since a partial or corrupted installer file can also trigger setup errors. But in most cases, one of these three fixes will solve it. Temporarily disabling antivirus or firewall protection, running the installer as administrator, or uninstalling and reinstalling the newest version from the official Itch.io page. So try them in order and you should be able to get past the installation error quickly. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.